subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how you can bypass Huawei P30lite with PC, and you can use Sigma key and plus MRT crack. This is a crack version of MRT. So let's see what version I have. You can see here I have Mar-lx1 M248 C185 version, guys. How you can bypass it? What you need to have MRT crack. I'm gonna give you link in description, and you need to have a Sigma key, guys. You see, there is a 5 file you have to load one by one. Put phone into the upgrade mode, connect to the USB cable. You see guys, there's a lot of files. You must uncheck the file till system from down. You must check carefully. From the top you must check the file till system file. You must uncheck all down ones that I'm showing you here. If you have a EFT dongle, you can use it, the EFT also, it's very good. Then start flash. Click on start. You will see phone is flashing. It's gonna take some time. This 5 dongle and these 5 files, it's gonna bypass your Huawei P30lite. You must make sure when you're flashing the phone, you must make sure that you have a correct version file, because sometimes what happens when you try to flash with the wrong file, it can go dead or brick. So do not make mistake on that. I'm gonna give you most of the file links in the description. Sometime I upload the file little bit late because the internet service is not good. Here is no fiber line, and uploading speed is, it's 1 amp. It's really bad. You can see here guys, phone is flashing. It's gonna take some time. This MRT dongle is a crack version, guys. I'm gonna give you link in description for the crack. You can download it. And I'm gonna give you link for the files also. You see the people are selling these files for 1000 rand. Some people selling for 500 rands. The same files. The phone is flashing right now. It's gonna take some time. Watch the full video, guys, because don't skip the video. You will see a lot of important stuff. You're gonna miss it if you're gonna skip the video. Just wait a little bit, be patient. Here we go. So guys, you must press yes. Now put the phone again into the upgrade mode and connect the USB cable and select file number 2. There's it, there's a file number 2, and start flash again. If it is not flashing, you must press it again. Start, yes. Now you must say no. Don't reboot the phone. Select number 3rd file. Say start again. Don't reboot the phone, no. Now start number 4 file. Do the same thing. Do not reboot the phone, no. Now guys, you mustn't flash number 5 file in the MRT crack tool, because it's not gonna flash the full file, because this crack version is not flashing the full firmware. You must go to Sigma and flash the number 5th file. You must select the on top the port and write the firmware. Sorry, I think I select the wrong port. You must select the adapter one. The name is the adapter, not ACU something. You must select the correct port, then it's gonna flash. See, it's failed. Go on top and select the correct port. Oh, you see, this is a full firmware, guys. This is a full file. It's gonna show here. You can see all the images here. You can see here, but mustn't flash here. You must go to Sigma and write the flash. Select the correct port here. There's it, and write the firmware. If some people don't know how to flash the phone with the Sigma key, that's how you can flash right way. You must put the phone in the upgrade mode. You must select the firmware and flash. It's gonna take some time. Let me fast forward this video. It's gonna take, I think, about 10 minutes or maybe more. Let me just fast forward from here. I think this firmware is gonna downgrade to 2.15 version. You can see it's flashing. After the flash complete, you know how to bypass with the safe mode. Hold the volume up, but switch off the phone. Hold the volume up button and power button at the same time. You will see the Huawei logo. After you see the Huawei logo, hold for a 2-3 seconds and release the power button. You will have an option. Phone will be in recovery mode. You must wipe the phone data. Then after you finish the wiping the data, then you can reboot phone to the safe mode and your Google will be bypassed. When you reboot the phone gonna straight come to the main screen menu. It's not gonna ask for the setup. It's gonna be skip. That's how you can bypass with the hand with the downgrading the firmware. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple. You see, sometime if you have a older version than 2.15, you don't need to flash to bring the safe mode menu, because the older version don't have, when you go to recovery, the safe mode option. You can bypass those phone with the Wi-Fi, this with the Wi-Fi hotspot, I think some people don't know. You will see a lot of video on YouTube like how you can do that. You must, when you must connect the Wi-Fi, right, and hotspot, and just disconnect the Wi-Fi, switch off the router or turn off the hotspot from the phone, and wait for the 2-3 seconds and press next. You will see the Google term and condition, and then you can put the pin number and then reboot the phone. Then you can go next, then again that pin number you put it when you was bypassing, the same pin number you can put it there. That's how also you can bypass. There is another way. You can make a call and press the while you making the emergency call number 911 or 112. While you making the call, you must, before the come to that menu of the phone call, you must keep pressing on the number 4, and it's gonna open the calendar. In the description you can add the Google link, or you add the YouTube link, and it's gonna go to menu, and after that you can download all FRP APK from internet, and that's how you also can bypass. There's a many way you can actually bypass this, but I think this after 2.15 all this method don't work. But in last 2.15 on P30lite version, I'm talking about last number, that 9.10, then 2.15 and 1. That is the version of the patch. And the last one is like a C185. It's a country provider code. In South Africa is most of the network got C185 or C316. C316 is Vodacom, and C185 is even in South Africa also, and some Arab countries. It's a build region code or build, I'm not mistaken, I don't know really, but it's something like that. So guys, you can see your phone getting full flash. I don't have the camera to show you the phone that I'm connected, sorry for that. While I was fixing this phone, I just record this video and decide to upload on YouTube. I don't really have time to make the videos, and I'm very busy. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks.